Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Week 5 of Process Management and System Thinking. I'm your professor, Dr. Neil Armstrong, and this week we're going to be looking at chapters 5 and 6 of the textbook for Collier and Evans. We have the PowerPoints there for you guys, so you guys can take a look at those and really kind of understand exactly the main points of the chapters and really try to see exactly what's going on. We also have an article that's entitled How to Be an Effective Leader for Application of Faith and Values. This will try to help us understand kind of how we can be better at being a leader and being a person of faith at the same time. So the video for this week is on designing distribution channels, and that'll help you kind of understand kind of how organizations like Amazon and others made supply chains and how they design those. Some companies like Walmart and Amazon have done really good jobs at that. And it's one of those things where it's given them a competitive advantage in the marketplace. We also have a discussion board post this week, and this is going to be one of the ones that you have to do before initial post on Wednesday and then additional post by Sunday at midnight. So you want to definitely look at this and see kind of how you want to go about answering it and really try to work through the process. I will try to post on as many of them as possible. So definitely look forward to looking at your post and seeing kind of what you guys have going on and kind of your thoughts. I always like to try to add in a little tidbit or ask questions to clarify or really anything just to help out. So if you guys have any questions about anything or need anything from me, please let me know. I definitely have enjoyed this class with you guys so far, and I look forward to making week 5 even better. Thanks. Have a great week.